This is one of my modern carved tele bodies. This video is not about making this guitar, it's about making the second guitar from the leftover CNC stock. And I have quite a few of these. And it just felt wrong to throw them away. The stock is wider than a Telecaster, much longer, due to the 1/4-inch bit. If you can imagine the bit going all the way around the guitar. The neck pocket itself is much wider too. So we'll be putting a mahogany plug in there, and we'll brace it with a back and a top. And we'll go 9mm all the way around, cutting into the mahogany to make a thinner neck pocket. We still have our locating pins from the original project. The face operation will remove all the leftover maple top as well as quite a bit of the alder. I end up with quite a few of these. Just a shame to throw away. And when you stack them, you can really see that negative space wanting to become something. So much potential in this scrap wood. The glue up is perfect, and I think what we'll do is hit it with a file to really smooth that transition from the body to the neck. We'll do that after the glue sets.